Stop what you're doing because the 2025 Toyota RAV4 is here, and it's ready to change the game. Whether you're an adventure junkie, a city commuter, or just someone who loves a car that does it all, this is the SUV you cannot ignore. But why? Stick around, and we'll dive into everything that makes this the best RAV4 yet. Exterior design highlights. Let's start with the looks. The 2025 RAV4 gets a bold, refreshed design that screams modern sophistication. A reimagined front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a muscular body give it a commanding presence on the road. And those color options? Toyota is going bold this year with new two-tone finishes that will have heads turning everywhere you go. Whether it's the adventurous XLE trim or the ultra-luxurious limited trim, each variant is crafted to perfection. Toyota has even introduced 20-inch alloy wheels for the first time, adding an extra layer of style and sportiness, interior luxury, and technology. Step inside and you'll realize the RAV4 isn't just an SUV, it's a sanctuary. Toyota has gone all out with premium materials, ambient lighting, and redesigned seats for ultimate comfort. The 2025 model introduces ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof, making every journey a first-class experience. And the tech? Oh, it's cutting edge. A massive 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard. Powered by Toyota's latest multimedia system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a 12-speaker JBL sound system that turns your road trips into private concerts. Performance and engine options. But don't let the luxury fool you. This SUV means business. Under the hood, you'll find multiple engine options. The trusty 2.5 L4 cylinder is more efficient than ever, delivering a smooth and confident ride. And for those who demand power, the plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime is back, offering an impressive 302 horsepower and up to 45 miles of electric-only range. Off-road enthusiasts, rejoice! The TRD off-road trim is designed for rugged adventures with enhanced suspension, multi-terrain select, and dynamic torque vectoring. Whether it's rocky trails or snowy highways, the 2025 RAV4 tackles it all effortlessly. Safety features. Safety, Toyota leaves no stone unturned. The 2025 RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an upgraded pre-collision system. It even introduces a new feature, proactive driving assist, that predicts hazards and reacts before you even notice them. Pricing and value. Now, let's talk numbers. Starting at just $29,000, the RAV4 remains one of the most affordable SUVs in its class. Even the hybrid models and the tech-packed limited trim stay competitively priced, ensuring you get maximum value for your money. And here's the best part. Toyota's legendary reliability and resale value come standard. Owning a RAV4 means peace of mind for years to come. Why you should care. So, why does the 2025 RAV4 stand out? Because it's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. It's the perfect balance of innovation, style, and adventure, tailored for people who want it all. Whether you're navigating city streets, exploring mountain trails, or simply running errands, the RAV4 adapts to your every need. Pros: quiet interior and comfortable ride quality. Abundant cargo and passenger space. Easy-to-use controls. Extra off-road capability of the TRD off-road trim. Cons: lackluster acceleration, vague steering. Value: is the RAV4 a good value? The RAV4 is well built inside, with nice layered materials and seams that are invisible because they're built into the styling. It has tactile touches, such as rubberized grip surfaces on the interior door pulls and the radio and climate knobs. The RAV4's optional synthetic leather upholstery feels soft and pliable, and the stitching is tidy. Toyota's warranty coverage is average, but you do get a generous 2 years, 25,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance. Call to action. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. So, are you ready to experience the SUV of the future? Head to your nearest dealership for a test drive and see what all the hype is about. But before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Why? Because we bring you the hottest updates on cars that matter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.